All right, look at that. Look at the dirt coming off there. Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, 303 Protectant. Now, this is for interior and exterior, so you can use it on multiple things. Wherever sun can get at, I use it, okay? Whether it be your dash on your car or your armrests or whatever have you, your trailer, slide, seals, wherever you can find plastic or rubber, your tires down there, you can do those. You've got your lights right there you could do, and that's plastic. So yeah, you can do plastic too. You can use it whatever you want. All right, we're going to go see what we can come up with other than the RV, because we know that's rubber seals and you can clean them up and get them protected and go from there. Let's go have a look. Okay, so here's another spot. This is where I've had my elbow in my work truck for, you know, oh gosh, this is a 2013, so long time, and I've never cleaned it. Same as right here, you can see the dirt from my arms and oil and all that stuff. So I'm going to try and see if I can get this off. I don't know if it's going to work. It's not made to get that off. It's basically for putting it on and protecting and so on and so forth. So we're going to give this a try and see how it goes. Okay, let's use our 303 and see if we can get this. I'm just going to leave this sit on here for a few minutes and see if we can get some of this off. I don't want too much in the electronics. Let's see if we can. You can see right here. Okay, you can see right there. Look at the dirt right there. I didn't really spray that a ton, so let's see if we can get the rest of it off. But let's see if she breaks it. Well, I'll be a jump Jiminy's. It came off. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Wow, holy cow. Okay, so here's the proof that it did work. Now, you can see right here, look at the lines in that dirt right there. So it did pull it off, and that spot there, that's pretty much gone now. It's just a little tiny things in the crack there. But yeah, you can see the lines in that. So it definitely cleaned that up. Okay, so we're going to work on this a little more right here. We'll get that clean up there. And this down here, we'll get this cleaned up. Let's get her done. Well, I'll be a hop, skippity jump. Look at that. It cleaned it right up. And I hardly waited to let it sit on there. Just sprayed it on. And she worked its magic. Look at that. Okay, now here's another spot that I want to work on. Look at that. This is what the color is supposed to be. But from my arm being on here for all these years, look at that. All right, I'm going to try and sit some on there and see if we can get some of that off. All right, look at that. Look at the dirt coming off there. Just rubbing my finger in that. Look at that. Look at that. Look gray. Boy, if that takes this off, it'll take almost everything off. Okay, the sun is in the wrong spot here. Okay, let's wipe that off. Okay, look at that. That's the difference. Look at that. Holy cow. I wouldn't believe that would have done that. So I'm going to finish up the rest of this. Let it sit on here for a few minutes and rub it in with my finger. Look at that. It's coming off a little bit. But okay. Okay, I think it's going to take a few times, but this stuff is pretty thick. I mean, look at this. You can run my fingernail through this. This is how thick the oil is on here. Look at that, from my arm over the years and the dirt. I mean, look at that. And it was peeling it off. I just had to put more on and soak it in with my finger, and it definitely is loosening it up. And holy cow, there's a super duper demonstration of this stuff working. And there it is. Didn't take much to get that off. Just had to get it working, and go from there. Holy cow, look at that. What a difference, man.